Hi, this is Ricardo Lopez, broker associate with Hoven Real Estate. I want to show you the numbers, the market statistics for this past month of February and what's going on with the market. So as you can see, the number of listings, that's the inventory. The first graph I have here, it stayed pretty much stable, but it went down a little bit there at the end. So this past month, it went down just a tiny little bit. It's been pretty stable, nothing drastic as I can see in terms of the inventory, but the inventory is lower. It hasn't been at the earlier. It was going up, inventory going up, but then it became more stable and now it just went down a little bit. Okay. That's the number of listings. The second graph that I have here is the listing prices. As you can see, the listing prices have been going up. They were going down for a long time, months, and then they started going up. Now, I've been telling you the past few months that I was surprised that it was going up. It went up once more. So the market, the sellers are feeling positive. They are still looking at the sale prices from prior months, and they're basing the list prices on that. So the prices are still high. However, the sold to list ratio, now if you look at, that's the graph right below. If you look at this line right here where it says 100%, that's that line right there, that's 100. So that line tells you that everything is selling at list price. We have been below 100, it's been going down, and then at the end here, this past month, it actually went up a little bit, which is good. That's good news. It means that prices, I mean, it's still selling just probably close to 95% of what the list price, but it was at 94%, so it went up a little bit. Now, the absorption rate, which is the graph on the left of that one, the absorption rate basically says that this is the number of months that it's going to take to sell all of the inventory if nothing else comes on the market. And right now, the absorption rate, it was at 2.5 months last month, and then for January, and then for February, it went down to this here. So basically, it came down a little bit, but still, you know, it's very stable. It's pretty stable, and it's still a seller's market. Now, let's take a look at the days on the market. The days on the market have gone up, and they continue to go up a little bit. And as you can see, it is right now around 45 days. This last graph that I have here is the the inventory of everything that is active, that is listed. And it's been pretty much stable. It went down just a tiny little bit. And then the black line is what it has sold, which was going down quite a bit. And then it went up a tiny little bit. I like that these two lines are getting a little bit closer together. All in all, this is not bad. I actually expected the market to be a little bit worse. It is a market that looks like it's becoming more stable. The listing prices continue to go up. It's selling, but it's selling not at the list price. It's selling around 94-95% of the list price. And it's taking a little bit longer to sell. So it's taking like 45 days to sell the houses. That's the average. Of course, that doesn't mean that everything sells on 45 days. Some of them may sell overnight. It depends on the type of house it is. But these are the average statistics. If you have any questions, as always, give me a call. Thank you so much.